So guys, we are unboxing a new product that we received from Amazon, and this is a sealed package, and the surprise is inside. So not a surprise, but basically it's a Bluetooth based Sony headphone, on ear. So my wife is opening this. So let's see if it's a black color or blue. Array, that's a black color. So that's a brand new WH-CH520 headphone. Right. So it's a 50-hour Bluetooth based device, which is chargeable, and some of the features which are written here on the box seems to be sealed. And let's see, compatible with made for iPhone and iPod, works with Android. So let's see what's inside the box. Please open the seal. So that's a tamper-proof seal basically.
Scissors.
And here it goes. The box. And okay, that's another internal box. That's how it opens. So we've got a headphone, we've got a charging cable, and of course we've got a user manual. Right now, if you talk about the charging cable, it's type C, and let us see the headphones. There you go, intact and beautiful. See, small, lightweight, very lightweight setup. Yep, that's the type C port. It's a mic, the volume up down controller buttons, changing the song, forwarding, etc., plus minus, and of course the power button, the LED indicator light. And this is there must be written in L and R. So yep, this is the right side and this is the left side, as you can see. So that's all about for today. That's a Sony headphone, and the product number is WH-CH520, this one. So we'll share the review after some time, after using it. Thank you.